What do you take with you on your trips when you don't go for a lot of long time? What do you take with you? What do you take with you on your trips? Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with exciting news. This I'm going to edit most likely after when I'm back from Barcelona. I'm going there with my mom next week from now. Pretty excited, and the thing is I'm going with her alone. She comes to Spain. I already live in Spain and I go to Barcelona. I will be gone from home because we go to Barcelona, then we go to the beach for a few days as well. So I'll be gone from home
Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday.
like 6 days. That's a lot. So I need to pack for 6 days. That's like a whole ass trip. I could take with me like the whole big luggage, but I'm not going to. I'm not going to bother myself so much with so many stuff around me. I need to pack one hand luggage. I'm not sure yet if it's going to be a hand luggage or a backpack. I will see, but that's the point, that's the thing, and I thought why not make a video about it, how I'm packing, what I'm taking with me, give and share some tips about how to pack the most of it, that you still have a cute outfits for your travel. For those, let's start the video. Let's start packing. You're going to help me pack. First is obviously making a list of the main things what you need to take with you, considering where you're going to, what things and activities you are going to make and do, and what kind of weather it's going to be there. It will not be too hot, neither too cold. It will be something on a spring like level. I'm going to make a list as well, and don't forget in the list, focus on main things that you need, and then you can see either add on the list already or just when you're packing, and if you have some extra space, then you can add some like other items or fun items. Focus on the main things, and also focus not just on fashion and beauty things, but also on actual things. Do not forget about it otherwise, because when you have a list, you better include all of things you need in that. So let's start by train tickets, for example, ID, money, phone, chargers, something else.
Then I will add some perfumes, makeup. I just added like in one row.
I'm not going to take any shampoos or any like that. We're going to hotel, they will have all that. It's complicated. In Barcelona, I'm going to only with my mom. Later, me and my mom will go to the beach, city on the beach. My boyfriend will join us, so I can leave some stuff for him to take there. Hotel already offers it, don't take, or you can take samples if you have sample sizes, or pour into like 2 small bottles. But that's something really like, I understand that they don't have the best shampoos or shower gels, but if you don't have a space, then why? Like, your skin's not going to fall off if like 1 week you're not going to use the best products ever. Scarves are great things, because scarf can help for so many things. You can use it as tablecloth. Sometimes if something happens, clean something. Put underneath your butt if you want to sit somewhere where you don't know if it's dirty or not. Obviously, if it's like really windy, you can like protect your neck. If you enter some kind of churches where you need to cover your hair, maybe you can cover your hair. Like, scarf helps for so many things. Then I think it will be leather jacket. I need something, and then I think I will take some blazer with me to style up some outfits. I think I'll take my Idol of Sweden bum bag, footwear, sneakers, and slippers for hotels, because many times I don't and I forget. Please don't take shoes that you wear for the first time ever. You are going most likely to regret it. We want to go fashion way, but we want to feel good when we travel. And then maybe some flats or something like more feminine stuff, accessories and jewelry. Next one is also important. Only pack underwear for the days that you are going. You are not going to be yourself, at least not every day, so you don't need 14 pairs of underwear for 7 days. Take clothing item that you can mix match one with another, either jeans and different tops, or leggings and different sweaters and tops that you can like wear whatever and layer, and just as I said, mix match one with another. Definitely avoid wrinkly and light clothing. For example, there's one dress that I haven't really worn out, and I thought maybe it goes really great in spring. And I almost took it because it's a pretty dress that unfortunately I haven't worn yet outside. But I noticed it's super wrinkly, and I was like, I'm light clothing as well. Just avoid. I'm not saying don't, but avoid if you can. I know me myself, I love white clothing lately. I'm giving you tips, but I'm not telling that I follow those tips myself. Sometimes I don't. But even if you go to the hottest place, please take something with long sleeves. I know it's like really difficult, but many times sometimes you enter some buildings or caves or whatever it is where it's like really cold and you need it. Sometimes even in hotels you can feel really cold. When we talk about beauty, skincare, makeup, all those things, take the least products possible. Like makeup, for example, take the simplest makeup. Most likely you will not put on that new blue eyeliner. You're not going to use those fun red tones on your eyes doing some kind of, I don't know what, Paradise, Rio de Janeiro look. The other one is for especially skincare and all those stuff. Take samples, try to get samples. There are many pages in many countries where you can just accumulate kind of samples. Request and asks for samples in some pages. I haven't done it recently, but like some year ago I did. And that way I got perfume samples, skincare samples, all that, and I use them up usually in those trips and travels I go to. You will save up plenty of space, I'm telling you. I have some things on my bed that I'm going to try to show you that I think that I will probably take with me, so let's see what I got. These are the jeans that I'm going to take with me, most likely from Stradivarius, I think. No, Springfield. These are Springfield jeans. Really simple, straight, normal jeans. For pajamas, I took oversized t-shirt that I had, a simple one, and like shorts, just like really casual and comfy. I think I will wear these sneakers from Tommy Hilfiger, white casual sneakers that go with dresses and also with jeans. I want to take some flats for more feminine looks if I will need. And the sad thing is that I needed to receive via flats, like a black ones, and I have these ones, but the black ones haven't arrived, and I don't know if I'm going to get them in general because something happened with the order. Scarf. This one probably going to take with me. And then as I take jeans, I'm thinking to maybe take some more colorful, fun, like blouses and tops. And then I have this from Best Secret. Cute, really blazer, really casual blazer that doesn't wrinkle. I think I'm going to bring that for sure. And then this Ideal of Sweden bum bag, which is so nice, obviously filled with those disgusting masks that I hope soon we will forget about. What do you take with you on your trips when you travel and you don't want to bring a lot of stuff, or you don't have opportunity to bring a lot of stuff? Let me know in the comment section down below. I hope these tips, I hope they helped you. I hope you had some kind of more idea about it and you got something out of it. And if you want to see all the outfits and photos and all that came out of it, follow my TikTok, Glam First Coffee, and Instagram, also Glam First Coffee, and don't miss out. And see you guys next time. Bye!